This all started with a cookie.
Everyone has a chocolate chip cookie recipe that they love, but yours launched a very successful business.
Yeah, it did, and every single time it's right. Every single time you can feel that love in it.
With a cookie full of love and a mixer full of passion, Ginger Blasek left behind 25 years as an executive recruiter and went from boardroom to baker.
I like the vibe because it's very like chill and relaxed.
It's just great. I love it. It's a nice, quaint, little crunchy place to hang out with friends.
Zenzero Kitchen is a fun, laid-back cafe in Northwest Dallas. You might call it a sugar-coated dream come true for Ginger.
Nobody ever told me you can't do it, and so I really had a lot of belief in myself. So really just going into it fearlessly and believing, that just did it, and I've never looked back.
It was your destiny.
It was my destiny. I really feel like it was, yeah.
The path to her destiny began in childhood, when Ginger watched her grandfather cook for their big Italian family.
To see him in the kitchen, feeding everybody loving the food, that for me, I thought, oh my gosh, you can make people happy through food.
She's been whipping up happiness for 6 years at Zenzero.
How did you name the business?
Zenzero means ginger in Italian. And so I always tell people it's not Zenzero because there's nothing zen about this girl and there is nothing with 0 calories.
That's right. Check your diet at the door because this place is packed with irresistible, over-the-top treats.
I always have to get the desserts, like all the pastries and everything. I can't resist them.
Mountains of cookies, oodles of cupcakes, and trays of giant, sticky sweet cinnamon rolls, topped with a rich cream cheese frosting.
They are really just something that's absolutely fantastic and worth every single calorie.
The fudgy brownies, layered with raw cookie dough, are worth every calorie too.
It's a really nice,
That's
sweet.
fun.
My favorite is simply called the gooey butter cake.
A nice little hint of almonds.
Oh, whoa. It is rich.
Yeah, it's very rich. That's why they're small pieces. That packs a punch.
Man, that's delicious.
If the desserts don't hook you, I bet dollars to that gooey butter cake. The coffee will.
The people making the coffee actually know like what they're doing.
In a nod to her Italian heritage, Ginger has a handmade espresso machine from Florence, Italy.
We're very true to traditional coffee. We don't have a lot of fluff.
The coffee comes from a local roaster, and the syrups are handcrafted in-house.
Wow, who would have thought? Cheers to that. That is good.
The desserts and coffee are enough to win me over, but this cafe has a lot more going on.
Above all, yeah, great food.
Zenzero's Scratch Kitchen dishes up crispy chicken and waffles, drizzled with bacon-infused maple syrup, loaded honey butter chicken biscuits with crumbled bacon, and a Pork Carnitas Burrito.
Well, and that's a giant chunk of meat. You need a lot of spice.
This pork is an explosion of flavor with cumin, oregano, red onions, poblanos, and oranges.
Now we're going to take this pulp out of here, right?
Right, we completely take the pulp out.
And you want that so you have a little bit of the texture, but you get that fruit, right?
Right, you get the fruit every which way.
It cooks low and slow for 8 hours, but it's not done yet.
Pull the pork out, we throw it on the grill to start getting it, a little crispy on there.
Mix that decadent pulled pork with fresh pico de gallo, eggs. Then you roll it all up.
But you want your burritos really big, right?
Right,
It's
that's
the burrito.
it's Texas, yeah, for
It's
sure.
Texas, right?
For sure.
These carnitas look amazing. Do you ever just want to eat them out of the pan?
Yeah, we struggle with that, for sure.
I would. Oh, that is good. Ever so slight hint of the orange. I love it.
Coffee, cake, or carnitas, it doesn't matter. What you're craving, this place has it all.